Let's make one more exercise in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude and Loft. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we'll select the right plane and make this sketch here. Here will be the midpoint, so we'll make this circle here with 2 millimeters of diameter, create this arc here with 2.5 millimeters of radius, and create this rectangle here with 4 by 5 millimeters. Okay, so open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 2 millimeters of diameter, press OK. Now go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here in this point, the diameter here, the radius here is 2.5 millimeters. Make this arc, go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this point here. Okay, now go to 2-point rectangle, click here at this point, make a rectangle here 5 millimeters by 4 millimeters. Okay, select this line, make this a construction line. We made this. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we need to extrude this. We need to extrude this 2 millimeters. Okay, so go to create, select extrude, select this profile, the direction here, select the symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 2 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we need to create this sketch here in the top plane, and the distance between the center of this hole and this hole here, or the midpoint, is 15 millimeters. Okay, so let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane. Let me rotate this a little bit. Okay, select the circle, make a circle with 2 millimeters of diameter, go to create and select the arc, center point arc, click an arc here with 2.5 millimeters of radius. Okay, go to constraints, horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this point here. Now select 2-point rectangle, click here at this point, 4 millimeters by 5 millimeters. Now select this line and make this a construction line. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point here and the midpoint. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and the midpoint here is 15 millimeters. Okay, we made this. Finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 2 millimeters, so select this profile, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 2 millimeters. Press OK. We made this. Okay, now we'll create this area here. So to create this, we use the Loft features. So we know that this edge here go to the other side here, this edge to this side, we have a rotation here. Okay, so let's create this. So go to create and select Loft, and the profiles, select this face here and this face here, and here in the profile, change the connected to tangent and change here to tangent. Okay, we made this. Now we will rotate this a little bit. So let me move this point here. This point will go here. This point here. This point here. And this point here. Okay. Operation join, press OK. We made this. Now press letter A in the keyboard. Let's add some color here. Select the faces here, select these faces in the center of these holes, okay? And here will be black. And that's it. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.